Bibo and the Bear Cafe. His first customer comes in. It's Nino the monkey. An iced tea please. Make sure it's cold, says Nino. Bibo prepares an iced tea and adds one ice cube in it. Sarah the sheep enters the Bear Cafe, too. A tea please. Make sure it's hot, she says. Bibo prepares a hot tea and adds 2 spoons of sugar in it. But somehow, Sarah's hot tea is cold and Nino's iced tea is hot. How is it possible? They wonder. Today, Bibo the bear is playing make-believe. He is pretending to be a barista at the Bear Cafe. Finally, Sarah and Nino exchange their cups. Playing make-believe is too much fun, they say happily.